Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. Today we'll learn large numbers, okay? So now, children, what have we learned before? We have finished our place value chart. Yes, where we learned that there are 4 periods: the unit period, the thousand period, the lakh period and the crore period. The whole chart, if you remember. Do you remember we had this whole chart? Okay, divided into 4 parts. Yes. And this was divided further into 3, 2, 2, 2. Okay, the first one was the unit period. Then we had the thousand period. Then we had the lakh period and the crore period. And further here, we had here ones, tens, hundred in unit period. Then in thousand, we had thousand. Then 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh in lakh period. Then in crore and 10 crore in crore period. So you all remember it very clearly? Yes, children. So we had learned about place value chart. Then we learned about spike abacus, the one which had spikes and the representation. Suppose this is unit, tens, hundred and this is thousand. So this was 3000. Do you remember? Yes, children. So this was spike abacus, and then we had reading and writing of the numbers. We had written 6-digit and 7-digit numbers. Then children, we learned about place value and expanded form. Before this, we had solved our exercise. Yes, children. Yes, we had solved exercise 1.1. We finished it. Yes. We made patterns, we had written in numbers and everything, and we learned commas also, where we should put commas. Then we learnt about the place value and the expanded form. Yes or no? Yes. We learned about the place value. And then we solved exercise 1.2. And after that, after solving exercise 1.2, we solved order relation. That is, which number is greater. There we learnt the number with more digit is greater than the number with less digit. Yes or no, children? Yes. So 3 digit will be smaller than 4 digit, and 4 digit number will be smaller than 5 digit. Like 3 digit will be smaller than 4 digit, and 4 digit will be smaller than 5 digit. Okay, children. Similarly, this is how you have learned order relation. Then you've learned the formation of greatest and smallest number, where we had two type. Here we had two. One where repetition is allowed, and one where repetition is not allowed. Then we learned that we have to, for forming largest number, we have to first arrange in descending order, and then we find a number. For smallest number, we will arrange in ascending order. Then you have also learned that 0 is never written on the leftmost position, and if you find 0 in leftmost position, you will trade places with the other number. Yes or no, children? Yes. Then, if 0 is given, then 0 is repeated on the place just before the last place. Yes or no, children? Yes. So, this is what we have learned. Now, children, today we will learn about the international system of writing numbers in words. Now, children, now we will learn about the international system of writing numbers in words. Now, how will you write this? The system of writing numbers in words discussed earlier is called the Indian system, where you had learned about the 4 periods: the unit, the thousand, the lakh and the crore period. Okay. Now, In English system or the international system we use following. Now see children, now listen very carefully. आपको ये ध्यान से पढ़ना है. See, we learnt about the unit period, then we learnt about thousand, then we have lakh, then we have, these are the place value. Okay, just wait. If we write the place value, now see, if I have to write the place value, it will be the ones, the tens, the hundred, then you have thousand, 10,000, yes, then you have lakh, then you have 10 lakh, then you have crore. Yes, this you have learned. Yes, so look here, this is one whole set, then you have another set of thousands, then you have another set of lakhs. Then this is the lone figure, that is crore. Now this you have learnt the 4 periods, the unit period, the thousand period, the lakh period and the crore period. Okay children. Now in international system, these two, look here. Now look very carefully. This system have different name in international system. So here 1 lakh, the 1 lakh will turn into 100,000. Okay, so here we have 1,000, 10,000, and then we'll have 100,000, and the 10 lakh will turn into 1 million. Okay, and 1 crore will turn into 10 millions. Okay, so how will you write it in international system? Again, look children, the first unit period is common, that is ones, tens and hundred. Then when we go towards the thousand group, wait, let me erase this first and then we will see. Now see, remember very carefully, do not get confused here. Now children, the first. So children, now you know in international system we use 100,000 for 1 lakh, 1 million for 10 lakhs and 10 million for 1 crore. Now look here, how will we write them? First, now in Indian system, and this will be in Indian system and this will be the universal or the not, wait, we'll just write, this is Indian and this is international, INT for international system. Okay, so first for ones we both write ones. Okay, then for tens it is same, then 100 it is same. So all this part is same. Okay children. Now, and if we look in thousand, here also is 1,000. Okay, so this is also same. Again, what will we look here? International system, ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 1,000. Okay, then if we see 10,000 and 10,000. So these all are very similar. Up to 10,000, both Indian and international system are similar. Again, look here. Up to 10,000, these numbers are very similar. But When we move after 10,000, what do you write? What do you write, children? After 10,000, we write lakh. Then we write 10 lakh. Then we write crore, and then we write 10 crore. Correct? This is the Indian number. This is the Indian. But in international system, we won't write lakhs. Okay, इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम डजंट यूज लैक्स. तो यहाँ पर जो आप लाख लिखते हो, इट विल राइट 100,000. अगेन 10 के बाद क्या आ जाएगा? 100,000. ओके, क्या आ जाएगा? 100,000. एंड फॉर 10 lakhs they will write million. Okay, 10 crores we don't study here, we'll study in next class, but up to crore we will study. So lakhs is 100,000, 10 lakh is million, and crore is 10 million. Okay, now look here very carefully. Just erase this and we will now learn again. Now see, here I am putting one line. Up is Indian standard and here is the international standard. Okay, now children, look here very carefully. The ones is the same here both. The tens is also same. Right. Here we will start ones and ones. The ones and the ones are same. Then you have the tens. Then 100. Okay, these are same. Then you have 1,000. Here also it is 1,000. Then you have 10,000. Here also you have 10,000. But now we will switch. Now look here very carefully. Now after 10,000 in Indian system we start writing lakh. Here you will not write lakh, you will write 100,000. Okay, then it comes 10 lakhs. Then here it will come million, and for crore it will come 10 million. Okay, this is how the international system and the Indian system differ. Only in here lakhs become 100,000, 10 lakhs become million, crore become 10 million. Okay, so you will write in your notebook. What will you write? You will write while no, do not write while in international system. Okay, and you will underline this international system. Then you will straight up write lakhs become 100,000 here. Lakhs become 100,000, 10 lakhs become 1 million, and 1 crore becomes 10 million. This you will write in your notebook. Okay, 1 lakh become 100,000, 10 lakhs become 1 million, and 1 crore becomes 10 million. Okay, children? Very nice. Now, look here. This is the chart you will draw in your notebook. Okay, only yes, the Indian system, the international system, where ones, you have ones, then tens, same tens, 100, you have 100, 1000, again you have 1000. Okay, then up to 10,000 it is similar. See, if you look here carefully, up to 10,000 it is same. Okay, you do not need to remember up to 10,000, but when you go in lakhs, you will see in Indian system we write lakhs, but in international system they write 100,000. So, if question has been asked that Mr. A या Mr. Anuj won a lottery, okay, they won a prize, not lottery, will win a prize, won a prize in UK. Right. Prize, I'll change the color so it doesn't mix with that color. A prize in UK of rupees 100,000. Okay. So, how much rupees it will be in Indian system of numbering? कितना होगा जब उन्होंने यूके में जीता है 100,000? It will be 1 lakh. Understood? So children, look here. Again we will see up to 10,000. This is same. Okay. Then we will see, look here, lakh becomes 100,000. Yes. Then you see 10 lakhs becomes million. And then 1 crore become 10 million. Yes or no? Yes. Now read. The first 3 digits to the extreme right makes the unit period. So look here. Now if we see the first 3 digit, so the first 3 digit here, this will be the unit period or the ones period. Yes, we'll just write unit or ones period. Then the next 3 digit will be the thousands period. Wait, let's see. Now international system, you know the Indian numbers. Now in international system, what will happen here is, look children, these 3 will be the units period. Okay, where in international system, so we will not consider here. Okay, but now look here carefully. In international system, these 3 will come under 1000 period. Okay, let me clear it nicely. These 3 will come under 1000 period. Now here we start differentiating. Okay, and for 1000 period here, this will be the answer. Yes. And here then we'll start with the lakh period here. Yes, but look here children, here will be the 1000 period and the other period they will have the millions. But here in Indian system, what do we have? We have here the 1000 period, the lakh period and the crore period. Okay, so this is the difference between international and Indian. They have only 3 periods: unit, 1000 and millions. Whereas in Indian system we have 4 periods. That is unit period, the 1000 period, the lakh period and the crore period. Okay. So children, now look here. So there will be difference in putting the periods in both the system, in Indian system as well as the international system. We will revise it again. See, international system has 3 periods, whereas Indian system has 4 periods. Okay. So look here very carefully. The first will be the unit period, the thousand period and the millions period, where it will be in international system. Whereas in Indian system, you will find the ones period, the thousand period. Yes, here there are 3 numbers in thousand, there will be only 2. Then you will have lakh. Here they do not have lakh and crore. These two, the lakh and the crore period, are not there. Instead, we have millions. Okay, one of the lakh digit has come here in thousand, becoming 100,000, and one of the lakh has shifted to million. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Again, do not get confused here. See, lakh we have 2 lakh, the 10 lakh, and the lakh. Yes. So this will become 100,000 where in international system, and this will become million in international system, whereas this will become the lakh period in Indian system of numbers. Understood? And then you have million. 1 crore is also included in the millions. I hope this is clear to you. Yes, children. So this also you will draw in your notebooks. I hope you will draw. Yes, children. Yes, this you will draw with a scale and your pencil and pen, and it should be in a neat manner. Okay, तो आप ये पूरा table draw करोगे in your notebook. Now after this we will study the Roman numerals. Okay. Now look here. Before this, we will just read what is written in your textbook. We know that the 7 basic Roman numerals are 1, 5, 10, L, C, D and M. That is, these are the 7 basic numerals. Okay. We will just write here so that you know. There are 7 basic numerals. How many? 7 basic Roman numerals. These are, you will write in your notebook. Okay. Let me use it. 1, 5, 10, 10, then you have 50, then 100, 500 and million, that is million. 1000. Okay. So these are 7 basic numerals. So you will write, first you will give the heading, the Roman numerals. Then you will write, there are 7 basic Roman numerals. These are 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Okay. So this much you will write. And then you will write all these Roman numerals in your notebook. First you will write that there are 7 basic Roman numerals which are here. This is the way you will write. You will make a table. Okay. 1, 1, V, 5 the symbol. Then again the 10 symbol, you will write 10, L, and you will write 50. This way you will continue up to 1000. Okay, 50, then there is C, that is 100. You will make a table like this. Okay, then there is more. D 500 and M is 1000. Okay. So these you will write in your notebook, and then after that you will write down this, the Roman numerals from 1 to 10. Okay. So children, look here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you will all write this in your notebook. Okay. Write down this in your notebook. I hope you've written this. So we'll go up to 11 to 20. So you will write this in your notebook. So 1, 11, 12, see. You will just see the 10 and then you will add 1. It will become 11. Then 2, 12, 13, 3, and then for 4, 10 plus 4 is 14. Yes? Yes. And then for 15 you will just write 5. 10 you know already, you just have to add 5. Now look here, for 16, then 17, then 18. Then again for 19 it has been changed. Yes? Yes. Then 10, then 9. And then for 20 you will just add. Yes? So children, write down this. This you will write from Roman numerals from 1 to 10. Then Roman numerals from 11 to 20. You will all write in your notebook. Now children, you see here some basic Roman numerals that you know I have told you before also. This also you will write in your notebook. Roman numerals, some basic numerals. 1, that is 1. Then 5, that is V. Then 10, that is X. L is for 50, C is for 100, D is for 500 and M is for 1000. This also you will write in your notebooks. Okay children? So I am going to erase this. Now you can write down this. So again, this all from 1 to 10. I hope you have screenshotted it from 1 to 10. Then from 11 to 20. Then you have the basic symbols of Roman numerals. Then here you can screenshot this. You have all the numbers from 1 to 100. This you do not have to write in your notebook. This is for your learning purpose. You can see this is for your reference purpose. Okay. So this you will write it down. This you will not write down. You will only write 1 to 10, then 11 to 20, then the basic numerals. This you will not write. This is only for your reference purpose so that you know it. Okay. From 1 to 100, the Roman numerals. See here, these are the basic numerals that you have done it. Yes or no children? Yes. So what did we learn today? We learned about international systems. Yes? Yes. International system, then the Roman numerals. So we'll just recap what did we learn. What have we learned in this chapter? So we have learned the place value chart, the representation of number on spike abacus, the reading and writing of numbers of 5 and 6 digit, the place value and the expanded form, the order relation and the formation of greatest and smallest number. Yes, and after that we learnt about the international systems. Then we compared the Indian and international system to understand it better. Then what did we learn? We learned about Roman numerals. Okay. So in next class we will start solving our sums. I hope everything what has been taught in the class you have understood. Okay children, now have a nice day children. We will stop here for today. Okay, so this is for your reference purpose. We will stop here.